Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by inspecting your iPhone 11 for physical damage around the true depth camera. Look for cracks, dirt, or misalignment near the notch and lenses. Next, open Settings and tap Face ID and passcode to view the current Face ID status on the phone. Note whether it says Face ID has been disabled or requires attention. Restart the iPhone 11 using the side button and volume button sequence. After the phone reboots, return to Settings and test Face ID again to confirm the issue persists. If the issue persists without physical damage, update iOS to the latest version via Settings, General, Software Update. Installing the latest firmware often resolves sensor and authentication bugs on iPhone 11 devices. Next, open Settings, Face ID and passcode and choose Reset Face ID to remove the existing data. Recreate a new Face ID profile by following the on-screen steps for face scanning and moving your head slowly. If Reset Face ID fails, back up your iPhone. When software troubleshooting does not fix Face ID, consider hardware repair options through Apple support. If you find physical damage near the true depth camera, contact Apple or an Apple-authorized service provider for diagnosis. Official repair often requires replacing the true depth camera assembly inside the iPhone 11 to restore Face ID functionality. Before sending the device for repair, create a current backup and sign out of your Apple ID to disable activation lock. Ask the technician for cost estimates and whether your device qualifies for warranty or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.